We are pleased to show you the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, tachometer, security alarm, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, front bucket seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.